Hey guys, it's Mike Chen, staying in the Namdaemun area, and around here, the reason I chose it because there's tons of awesome restaurants, traditional markets, food stalls. Of course, you guys know I've been trying 7-Elevens around the world, especially in Asia, and a lot of you guys have been asking me to try the one here in Korea. But this 7-Eleven, this is something special because not only is it a convenience store, it's also a cafe. So upstairs at the cafe area, you got the microwaves, hot waters for cooking your noodles and your microwavable food items. It's literally like a cafe. That's so cool. There's even outlets if you want to, decide to spend your day studying in a local 7-Eleven. All right, this is pretty neat, but before we settle down up here, let's go see what they have to eat. When in Korea, you gotta have some kimbap. You got spicy pork, you have tuna, you have tuna kimchi, you got fried squid, spam and mayo. Let's go with the spicy stir-fried pork. Ooh, this peach yogurt milk looks awesome. There are a ton of burgers. Ooh, hot fried chicken burger and a lot of sandwiches. Ooh, galbi dumpling. Yeah. Some packaged kimchi. This is crazy. Look at this. Spicy chicken feet. Pork, packaged pork. This is blood sausage, I think. And you want meat on a stick? Here's a bunch of meat on a stick. I mean, I don't know what this is, but he kind of looks like One Punch guy, and it looks like this thing is spicy. For bento boxes, look at this. This has got 11 different types of banchan. And you microwave all this except for this little section here. This looks good. Oh, I heard you gotta get a banana milk. This is the bun section. They don't really have a lot of fresh buns. And wow, ton of coffee. And you got a bunch of these packs of noodles here. This isn't your traditional ramen. This is like more, I don't think this is dry noodles, but this is blood sausage and it looks spicy. Huh, I don't know. I think Kit Kat might have to file a lawsuit here. There's a lot of food here. It's just packed in really, really tight. This is the ramen aisle. This is the instant noodle aisle. Ooh, there we go. Now we're in business. So basically it's this whole end section. This is just a tower of ramen. This is 7-Eleven brand Jung-gu. The Jung-gu is like the bottom of the rice where they scrape it up when they cook in a stone pot. That's interesting, never seen that before. Ooh, spicy jjajangmyeon. Yes. And this is really interesting. This is Korean fried chicken flavored noodles. Sounds good. And this is really cool. Korean cold noodle in an instant noodle format. Oh, this is so crazy. Watermelon milk. I didn't know you could milk a watermelon. Then, oh my God, was it strawberry cream cheese milk? Oh geez. Oh my God, I just saw the hidden ramen shelf on top here too. So although a small store, they packed a lot of stuff inside. You think I got enough for brunch? I think I got enough for brunch. I'm gonna start with some cold noodles and some roasted galbi dumplings. So cold noodles, you see here, these are holes you can poke with your chopsticks to drain the noodles because you can't have any excess liquid. And you make sure don't do what I did. You're only supposed to rip it till about here. Ha, oops, don't do that. Dumplings. Look really, really good. So on the package it says 1000 watt, minute and 20 seconds. Here's a little hack for you. There you go. Ooh, dumpling smells good. And when you drain it, you open this up. I really kind of messed this up already. I'm gonna eat a little spicy sausage with my noodles. This, you tear it a little bit. Microwave. Ooh, never microwaved a meat on a stick before. I'm both terrified and starving. So exciting. Dumplings. Smells really, really good. It definitely needs some spice, but that is a tender dumpling. I don't like this part of the skin because it's been sitting here for a few minutes and it's kind of like a little dry and a little tough. But this part right here, the skin is very tender. And look, there's a lot of filling. Not bad for a store-bought dumpling. And this thing I heard a lot about, like the meat on a stick collection at the 7-Eleven here. That's actually super yummy. Very, very spicy, very fragrant sausage. A little bit on the sweeter side. Wow, you know what this all needs? And I'm glad I got this. It needs a little kimchi. And if you're noticing the color's a little off, that's because this is fried kimchi. It is not gonna look like a regular kimchi. So, little dumpling, little kimchi. That is what the dumpling really needed. A little bit of spice, a little bit of acid. That's a pretty good combo. You cannot beat instant noodles in Asia. Although these noodles are still a little warm, it tastes exactly flavor-wise with the cold, spicy Korean noodles. The flavor is really on point here. Kimchi with my noodles. Next up, I'm thinking some kimbap and stir-fried blood sausage. This is the kimbap. Oh, that's intimidating looking. Then there's like a pack here and a pack here. So I think I'm gonna put everything in this. Oh, this looks very not like something that's edible right now. It's very hard and dense and rubbery feeling right now. Ooh. And then I'm supposed to put the sauce right on top. It's like little cornflakes. And the kimbap. 20 seconds. Oh, this is very, I mean, it looks a little less intimidating now because the clumps have separated and you can see the blood sausages. Oh, they're very, very tender. Look at that. Very tender, very spongy. Yeah, definitely way less intimidating. And this is the spicy fried pork kimbap. This actually looks really good. And to mix the blood sausage well with the sauce. It doesn't taste half bad. It's very robust, very earthy. The spicy sauce actually goes quite well with the sausage. Very spongy, very chewy. Flavoring not bad at all. I mean, obviously it doesn't taste like a freshly made blood sausage, but not too bad. Love the kimbap. You can really taste the spicy pork. I like the crunch of the vegetables.
Bite of that. Bite of the blood sausage. Maybe chase with some kimchi.
Pretty darn good combo. Eat something spicy and savory, take a drink of milk, watermelon milk. And what kind of cows do they have here in Korea? This thing is very fruity, huge melon flavor. Very smooth, very creamy. Fantastically refreshing. I'm gonna have to add this watermelon milk to the must-try list if you ever come to South Korea. So give this a try. Really, really surprisingly good. Next up, I'm thinking we try this crazy looking chicken burger and some seasoned saucy chicken noodles. 40 seconds at a 1000 watt. tear it in half. This thing got saucy real quick. You can smell the onions, tap holes on the top. Smell the sauce from this burger. I mean, it's definitely not gonna be a crispy chicken burger, but I think it will be spicy. Chicken is quite tender. Obviously, the outside is gonna be a little mushy. Flavor is a bit sweet, definitely spicy. I like the crunch of the onions in this burger the most. The bun does get a little droopy, but for like a $2 microwavable burger, it is what you expect. I really dig this. The instructions said to cook these noodles for about 4 minutes. I did about 2. So the noodles retain a nice chew. A bit on the sweet side, don't like that as much, but that after heat, that's really speaking to me. I've heard good things about this banana milk. Tastes like somebody milked a banana. Oh man, I do love the different milks here. Ain't nobody got anything on Korea when it comes to fruity milk. For my last course, 11 types of banchan. I got the jjajangmyeon and some really interesting like cheesy crab meat. So these noodles already, there's some of these like, looks like little imitation pellets of Spam. Hot oil. This is like Sichuan dandam spicy peppery noodles. In this bento box, there's some like sesame, there's some beef, chicken, seaweed, peanuts, kimchi, and rice. And an egg. And I really have no idea what to make of this crazy monster. Cheesy imitation crab meat. Huh, fish cake. That's actually quite yummy.
Chicken is yummy.
I like the cold banchan section, especially the peanuts. This is really good. And the pickled veggies. Again, not really sure what the heck this is. I think it's supposed to be fried fish. That's not the greatest thing. Best thing I had today. If I could find these noodles in the US, this is insanely good jjajangmyeon. Really nice fermented bean flavor. It's spicy, it's nummy, because I'll try this. It's just really weird. It just tastes like imitation crab with cheese inside. Probably the best thing in this box was the beef, the spicy chicken, and the little cold banchan. That is so good. This is one of the best instant noodles I think I've ever had. A peach and a strawberry shortcake milk. I'll tell you what, South Korea definitely has a way with their fruity milks. This is kind of funny. This is a chicken, spicy chicken flavor almonds. All right, I think the best thing I've had today, 100% the different types of instant noodles, especially this one. No wonder she's smiling and happy. Overall, I think the 7-Eleven food here in Korea is not as strong as Taiwan or Japan. I think for all the 7-Eleven places I've been to, Japan's 7-Eleven, 100% the best. I mean, those egg sandwiches taste like they were made by the gods. And then of course, 7-Eleven in Taiwan with their beautiful noodle selection and their delicious rice dishes. I think the top items at 7-Elevens in Korea, 100% the instant noodles, especially the dry type of instant noodles. Also, love the kimbap, the meat on a stick's worth a try, and of course, you gotta get some fruity milk. And I do really love what they set up here. Like, this is like a real cafe, you know, on top of a 7-Eleven. And it's better than most cafes because when you're hungry, go downstairs, grab some food, come up, microwave it, there's your meal. So overall, really pleasant experience. All right, luckily my hotel is really close to here because I'm about to pass out. So this is my review of 7-Eleven in South Korea. Thank you all so much for watching. Until we eat again, see you later.